Generative AI, it's like a whole new frontier for creativity and technology.
Yep.
Right? Actually, it's reshaping every industry from art to engineering.
Absolutely. It's mind-blowing how it doesn't just analyze data, but actually creates fresh content. Text, images, music, you name it.
Exactly. It's like instead of a chef just following a recipe, generative AI is like that chef improvising a whole new dish every time based on what's available.
That's a cool analogy. But let me ask, what makes generative AI so different from the traditional AI systems?
Well, traditional AI, you see, mostly looks at historical data and predicts or categorizes. Generative AI, on the other hand, learns patterns from massive data sets and then goes on to create brand new content almost spontaneously. It's like the difference between remixing a song versus composing an original one.
I get that. And the tech behind it? It's mainly deep learning architectures and transformers, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's like they feed in so much diverse data that the models become these massive adaptable foundation systems that when you fine-tune them, they can mimic human creativity to a surprisingly high degree.
Interesting. And you mentioned they're transforming industries. Can you break that down a bit?
Sure thing. Let's start with enhanced productivity and efficiency. Imagine being able to generate complex reports or creative campaigns in minutes rather than hours. McKinsey estimates this could add trillions to the global economy through smarter productivity, which is really powerful.
Right, that kind of speed and efficiency is game-changing. But doesn't that also raise concerns about, say, the quality or even the ethical side of things?
Yes, very true. While generative AI democratizes creation and personalizes outputs at scale, there's a caveat. Without proper oversight, you might end up with content that doesn't meet quality standards or even crosses ethical lines. Ensuring transparency and responsible use is absolutely key.
I'm glad you brought that up. I mean, it's one thing for AI to assist in creativity, but another if it starts to replace human creativity entirely. How do you see the collaboration between humans and AI evolving?
Oh, it's more of an augmentation rather than replacement. Writers overcome blocks with AI suggestions, designers get rapid iterations, and even musicians explore new horizons via AI-generated hints. Think of it as a creative partnership where AI handles the repetitive aspects, leaving humans to direct the vision.
That definitely paints a promising picture. And what about the tools out there? I heard names like GPT-4 and Midjourney, among others. How do they fit into this landscape?
They play a pivotal role. For example, in text generation, platforms like GPT-4 and Claude 3.7 Sonnet push the envelope on advanced reasoning for long-form content. And in image creation, you have Midjourney V6, DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion 3, and even Google's Imagen 2, all competing to offer the best photorealistic outputs. Each one fine-tunes the art of creative generation.
There's also a cluster of tools for audio and music like Suno and 11 Labs, right?
Yes, exactly. These tools make it possible to compose full musical scores or generate natural-sounding speech with nuanced emotions. It's almost like having a personal composer or voice actor right there when needed, and even video generation tools like Runway Gen 3 add to the arsenal for creative professionals.
But let me challenge one point. Isn't there a risk that relying too heavily on AI could stifle genuine creative expression? I mean, if everyone's using AI to get ideas, do we lose a bit of that human spark?
That's a fair concern. The idea isn't to let AI do all the creative heavy lifting, but instead to spark new ideas and break creative blocks. It's like using a tool. The creativity still comes from the human touch, while generative AI is just opening up new possibilities.
I see. It's definitely a balancing act then, leveraging the efficiency of AI while nurturing authentic human creativity.
Exactly. And there's also the aspect of personalization at scale. By generating tailored content for individual users, businesses can really drive engagement and in turn boost conversion rates. Substantially personalized marketing is like a win-win.
That kind of precision sounds revolutionary, especially for industries like marketing and customer service. And what about those integrated workflows? How should businesses approach incorporating generative AI?
Great question. Best practices suggest starting with clear objectives and specific use cases. Know exactly where AI can add value then. It's crucial to build in human oversight, ensure quality control, and address ethical considerations head-on.
Makes sense. I heard that prompt engineering is also vital here. Having experts who can properly communicate with the AI systems, right?
Absolutely. Prompt engineering is like the art of talking to the AI in a language it understands perfectly. It helps achieve consistent outputs.
Yeah.
That precision is what makes the outcomes reliable and valuable.
And with everything evolving so quickly, it's really exciting to think where we'll be by 2025, isn't it?
Totally. It's like each day brings a new development. The potential for innovation and growth is phenomenal. Imagine a world where even more creative and problem-solving barriers are smashed through. Thanks to these AI tools, it's truly transformative.
For sure. It's an exhilarating time. From transforming content creation to solving scientific puzzles like protein folding with tools like AlphaFold, generative AI is pushing the limits.
Yeah, and as long as we navigate the challenges responsibly, maintain a solid human-AI collaborative model, and keep refining our approach, the future of technology and creativity is, in very capable hands. The blend of machine precision and human ingenuity is unstoppable.
I can't wait to see what new breakthroughs are on the horizon. Thanks for such an engaging discussion.
Thank you. It's been awesome diving into the nuances of generative AI. Until next time, keep being curious, and remember, it's our creative partnership with technology that will lead us forward. Take care.